our stainless steel work table. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 8 feet 96 inches, a depth of 30 inches, overall height with legs, we have 34 inches tall. Coming to the bottom, your additional shelf for storage. We have a length of 89.25 inches and a depth of 22 inches. Height from the bottom towards the top of the table, we have 15 inches in height. Located on the far left corner is the NSF certification sticker, and this film protecting the stainless steel finish can be peeled off. This table will hold and support weight for the equipment that we sell through Cooler Depot, such as griddles, stock pots, broilers, burners, and much more. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.